Hey there! Today we have a great video about system modes lined up for you. We are going to walk you, step by step, how to set up and use PSTX Softstarter with different system modes. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of it and ready to tackle it like a pro. Let's dive in. We will cover everything in 3 main sections. 1. What are system modes? 2. How to set up the demo mode. 3. How to set up the small motor mode. System modes are special features built into the PSTX Softstarters that extend its functionality beyond everyday applications and standard usage. These different modes allow you to test, demonstrate, or troubleshoot the Softstarters. It is possible to run the PSTX Softstarter without connecting a motor, test behavior safely during demos, and work with motors smaller than the Softstarter rating. You can check wiring, verify control signals, and explore functions freely. There are 3 different system modes that you can select. 1. Normal mode. 2. Demo mode. 3. Small motor mode. Normal mode provides regular functionality, and it is aimed at standard usage. In the next sections, we will focus on demo and small motor mode. System modes create a simple, controlled environment where you can test, learn, and troubleshoot with confidence. In other words, this special feature gives you the freedom to explore and verify the PSTX Softstarter's behavior. Before jumping onto the parameter settings, let's review how to navigate the PSTX Softstarter HMI. Press the top left button for options, go back, or exit. Press the top right button for the menu, select or save. Use the arrow buttons to navigate. Demo mode allows you to run a Softstarter and simulate different load conditions without connecting the motor or the main voltage to the Softstarter. This mode is ideal for simulation, training, and testing purposes. It is possible to test the control terminal connections, function settings, the thyristors, and bypass. Before starting, make sure control supply voltage is connected and main voltage is disconnected. Now let's look at the related parameters on the PSTX menu. From the home screen, navigate to Menu. Select Parameters. Enter the complete list. Navigate to Section 28, Service. To jump quickly to the end of the menu, use the up arrow button, or hold the down arrow to scroll faster. The Service section of the menu provides extended features. Some of the parameters on this menu are reserved for ABB trained service personnel, and it is not recommended to change unless stated otherwise. However, the system mode and related parameters can be accessed without the service code. Navigate to 28.41 System Mode. Press Edit to see the options. There are 3 options available: Normal, Demo, Small Motor. The default value is Normal. Select Demo and press Save. You will now see that the system mode is set to Demo mode on the screen. After saving, you will be redirected to the service menu. Navigate to 28.40 Simulation Connection. There are 7 options available. The default option is Inline. Select the one that fits your needs. For testing purposes, the recommended option is Inline. Now, navigate to 2839 Simulation Load. Press Edit. This parameter presents the following options: No Load, Linear Load, Progressive Load, High Inertia Load. The default value is Progressive Load. Each option lets you adjust how the load behaves during the simulation. Let's check out some examples of the load torque curves. Linear load. These types of loads typically matches compressor applications. Progressive load. Pumps and fans generally have a progressive load torque curve. High inertia load. Applications such as crushers and mixers have typically high starting torque. Select the load profile that best matches your actual application. For demo and simple testing, no load is perfectly fine. The final parameter to adjust in the service section is the simulation motor. Navigate to 28.38 simulation motor. Press Edit. Here you will find a list of ABB motors. Default value is a motor rated as 62.3 ampere. Select a motor that corresponds best to your Softstarter's current rating. Remember, the Softstarter allows you to set the motor nominal current from 30 to 100% of the catalog value. After saving, go back to the complete list by pressing the upper left button. Navigate to the first section, Motor Rated Current, IE. Press Edit. Set this value according to the motor selected in the previous step. Depending on your needs, you can also adjust start and stop ramp parameters, current limit, input-output assignments, and additional functions. For more details, check our how-to videos or the PSTX installation and commissioning manual. Once everything is set, you can start and stop your Softstarter and simulate the conditions. Starting and stopping can be done locally or remotely. Demo mode can also be used to test the bypass. For more details, refer to the manual. Before finalizing the how to set up the demo mode part of the video, let's check two important information. When the Softstarter is connected to 3-phase voltage, it will not be possible to start a motor in demo mode. After testing, don't forget to change 28.41 system mode parameter back to normal. Small motor mode is used for basic testing purposes when using a smaller motor than the Softstarter is specified for. For bigger sizes, like PSTX 1250, testing with a full-size motor is often not practical. Even though PSTX offers a wide current adjustability, the smallest motor within the range can still be quite large for a panel builder or service workshop. Small motor mode makes it possible to verify the motor and control terminal connections. Now, let's look at the related parameters on the PSTX menu. From the home screen, navigate to Menu. Select Parameters. Enter the complete list. Navigate to Section 28, Service. To jump quickly to the end of the menu, use the up arrow button, or hold the down arrow to scroll faster. Navigate to 28.41, System Mode. Press Edit to see the options. There are 3 options available: Normal, Demo, Small Motor. The default value is Normal. Select Small Motor and press Save. You will now see that the system mode is set to Small Motor mode on the screen. After this, you can give start and stop commands to the Softstarter and run the motor for testing. Important information to take into account. The current through the Softstarter has to be at least 3 amperes when using small motor mode. With small motor mode, some functions and protections are disabled. After testing, don't forget to change 28.41 system mode parameter back to normal.